reason and command I have from her on whom I stand, to make a joyful song. So since she calls me strong, it's fitting from now on that I rejoice in song, better than I'd done before.
For now I know and see, since my advance pleases her, that in a noble lordship I've placed my heart in me. So it's fitting and it's right, since the Lord does what is right to his good servant,
that he better himself and grow his worth.
He who a gift from his Lord takes is not at all well-mannered, and makes a mistake toward him
without cause.
Nor is it proper if he draws his harm, nor what he shouldn't do.
And since a lady has shown so true that she draws her lover near,
and one in the other puts faith clear, I don't know what then comes to them, that one should harm the other. But I know this gem, that he has more love, I believe, who loves better and receives more honor from love's weave.
In this they act without sense, the lovers to my evidence,
and he who judges it with reason is shamed without season.
for always
The more they'll have of love, the better they'll crave, here and there every day.
and by this test I say,
Love lowers and falls away, and loyal lovers play for one who behaves
toward love or him herself and saves
loyally and keeps the better part. We see many who have the worse in their heart. A lover who loves falsely must by rightful judgment truly have a false reward. But to you I address my accord, good lady, about this much, that in me there is no such touch against you nor deceit. And if you gave me joy according to the heart I employ, I'd ask you for no more treat, for with as good faith as any man loved a wraith, I love you and never retreat for pain or for sorrow. So much I have the heart of a loyal lover to borrow. Lady, my heart and my sense, my eyes and my thoughts fence are in your prison, and I find no healing risen, except only this much, when I stand before you such. Then it seems to me that I am the man in the world who fares most high, and when I leave that place, anger and fury give chase, which leaves my heart and holds it so. But then when I recall you to whom joy owes, I forget the greater ire, and turn my heart to joy and sweet fire. Fair desire, you please me much, of your noble body gay such, for it rises every day in honor and in good array, so that every man who sees you advances you and keeps you true. For of joy and of love are your